In this video, we'll take a look at the SEC sample paper question 18, in which contained a supply and demand curve. So let's take a look at part B of the question, which had the supply and demand curve in it. So the demand and supply curves for the pure confectionery company's protein bars are shown in the diagram below. Number 1, on the diagram below, show the equilibrium price and quantity of the protein bars. Write your answers in the spaces provided below. So here we'll take a look at the equilibrium price. So here this axis has the price and this axis has the quantity. So you can see that we have the supply curve there and the demand curve there. Okay, so equilibrium price. So we look at the equilibrium first. The equilibrium price there is €3. Equilibrium quantity then is €20,000. So you can see here that it is €20,000. Number 2 then, use the above diagram to identify the price at which the pure confectionery company would be prepared to supply 25,000 protein bars, and write your answer in the space provided. Okay, well, we're asked what would they be willing to supply. So we're going to look at the supply curve. Okay, and 25,000. So the price at which they'd be willing to supply 25,000. So there's the 25,000 there. And if we went over here, we would see that they would be willing to supply 25,000 protein bars if the euro. And that is it. Okay, so that is the SEC sample paper and the supply and demand chart of question 18.